Hello there. Today I'm going to make another attempt at doing a plastic wrap dip. I'm going to try doing dots and squiggles this time, as my last attempt wasn't very good, but I have to practice it. So my colours today are navy, rose and my metallic silver, the poster paint, with a little rose added to it, just to give it that metallic colour. And I'm just going to dot and squiggle the paint onto the canvas, which I've already coated in white. This time, instead of using house paint, I have used Renault Art titanium white. That's certainly an interesting pattern. I don't know how well it's going to do, but I will now put the plastic wrap on and press it down. My plastic wrap is again taken from the outside of a canvas, and it seems to be quite good sturdy wrap, so yep, that was a bit too soon. It's actually quite good to put down, but the air bubbles are a problem. I'm going to try using my roller again, just to smooth the air out. I'm not too worried about it on the white, of course, because it's the colours that it really needs to pick up. Alright, I can already see that the air has pushed some of that colour underneath, which is going to make it very smudgy. But I have to try this, so I will just get my piece of towel to put my plastic wrap onto. That's certainly a much better effort than my first one. Oh, that's come out quite pretty. I'm loving those colours together. Again, lifted quite a lot of the white off the canvas. Oh my goodness, that is so much better than what I did before. I am really, really pleased with that. I'm not sure whether I can move it around a bit, but probably what I'll have to do, of course, is what I did last time. I'm going to have to add white to it, some more white, because of the white patches that are showing. Okay, oh, give it another bit of a torch. I have got no silicone added to those colours. They are just as they are, and I cannot believe how the silver rose has kind of separated into a little of the blue. The navy blue, by the way, looks black, but it is well what I call midnight blue, and it's very, it blends really, really well with the rose and the silver metallic with rose added. So I'm going to leave that exactly as it is now. I'm very, very, very pleased with it. It's prettier than I could have expected. It doesn't matter which way I turn it. It's just gorgeous. I'm so pleased with that. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.